students, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. Myself Sneha Pemberti, teaching English subject for grade 3. Now dear students, we already have know that letters or the alphabets. We learn these letters from nursery onwards. Now can you tell me which these letters are there? Yes, the letters are A to Z. It is capital letter or small letter. Now, do you know how many letters are there? Or we can say that alphabets. Yes, there are 26 alphabets are there or letters are there. Students, we all remember these letters once again. Now, look at here. We are going to say once again these letters. I am going to show you the letters and you have to say with me once again. Shall we start? Say with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These letters are 26 letters we can see. Now here letters you can see these letters are in capital letters, but we can write in small letter also. We can study that small letter also. Here in this letter we can see that one B always comes after A and C always comes before D. Means these are the orders we can see in the letters. It has arranged in the alphabetical. It has arranged in the alphabetical. It's not like that B come first, then A will come after B, or the D will come first, then after will come C. It is not like that. It is the sequence you can see that one. It has arranged the letters in the alphabets. So today we are going to study our first letter of grammar, that is alphabetical order. Students, can you tell me what is alphabetical order? Yes, the order in which A, B, C, D are arranged is called alphabetical order. You can see here alphabets or the letters we can say. It is arranged in A, B, C, D. So this letter or this order we are going to call alphabetical order. Okay. In alphabetical order, words are arranged in according to the first letter. See here, words are arranged in alphabetical order according to the first letter. For example, here you can see apple, butterfly, door and fish. Here in this list you can see that the alphabetical order, words are given in the alphabetical order because we are going to see the first letter of the word. Here I have underlined or this letter I have make in a red. So you can see that one A will come first, then afterwards B, then afterward D, then afterward F. Means related A we can see the word apple first, then related B we can see butterfly, now D related door and F this letter related we can see the word fish. Now here you have to see that these words are arranged in alphabetical order according to the first letter. Got it? Now look at this word of the list. Here you can see the pictures: car, apple, dog and bee. Which are they? Car, apple, dog and bee. You can see this list is not in the alphabetical order. This list you can see it is not in the alphabetical order. So, we have to arrange these letters, these words in the alphabetical order. I have told you while arranging the alphabetical order, first what we are going to see? We are going to see the first letter of the word. We are going to see first letter of the word. So, in this list of the word, we can see that one first letter. If we have to arrange this list in the alphabetical order, the first letter of this each word we have to see. Now, here first letter which will come when remember the letters in your mind. First we have learned that in the first we have seen that one alphabetical order A, B, C, D. So, in that letters we have to keep remind in your mind. So, according to that we have to arrange the words. Now, here first letter it will come A, then afterwards B, then C and last D. So, if we arrange, if we are going to arrange these letters, these words in the alphabetical order. So, first will come apple, B, car and last dog. These are we have arranged in the alphabetical order. Understand? Now, let us see more example in our grammar textbook. So, my dear students, you all open grammar textbook, first lesson, page number 5. We are seeing that first question it has given, arrange the names of these games in alphabetical order. Now, look at here, pictures are given in your textbook also. You can see here on the screen, pictures are there. First you know this one, hockey, second one is football, third one is cricket and fourth one is badminton. These games you know already that one, and the picture also you know that one, for which game, which tools or the which things we are using. For hockey stick we are using this for the hockey, football already you know that one, for the cricket we know that ball and bat, and for badminton we know that racket and this bat. So, these games names we have to arrange in the alphabetical order. To arrange these words, once again we are going to see the first letter of the words. Here you can see the letters as given in the random. We have to arrange these words in the alphabetical order. So, if we are going to remember once again the letters A, B, C, D, A, B, then C it will come. So, C related which letter it is there? Cricket. So, cricket here will come first of what? No. What it will come? B. So, B related what it is there? Badminton. The first letter it will come, or the first word it will come, badminton. Then after B which letter is there? C. So, C letter related that letter, which word is here? Cricket. Then after C, D E, F. F related word is, we can see here, football. G, then H. Last letter H is there, or we can see in this list H is there. So, H related word we can see hockey. So, if we are going to arrange in the alphabetical order, what it will come first? First letter, the first letter it will come, yes, badminton. Next letter, word cricket. Third word is football, and last fourth word is hockey. You can see the alphabetical order we have arranged according to the alphabetical order. First badminton, second cricket, third one is football, and fourth one is hockey. You can note down this answer in your grammar textbook. Okay? First answer is badminton, second answer is cricket, third one is football, and last one is hockey. Note down this. Now, the next question is what we are going to see. Arrange the names of these characters in alphabetical order and write them in the blanks. You can see in your textbook that downside picture as given, and after picture downside the name of that character as given, and last it has given dot dot, means that there you have to note down the answer, there you have to write the answer. You can see in the textbook or the screen, first one character is Red Riding Hood, second one is Pinocchio, third one is Thumbelina, fourth one is Cinderella, fifth one is Snow White, and sixth one is Goldilocks. These are the name of the characters. Mostly you can see these characters in the cartoons. You know the cartoons very well, and the characters also you know very well. I think you know these characters because you have seen the characters, or you have seen these characters in the cartoon, and the serials also you can see in that one. So, here these are the name of the characters as given. What we have to do, the question as given, to arrange the name of these characters in alphabetical order. Whatever it is given the characters, we have to arrange in the alphabetical order, and we have to write them in the blanks downside in the dot dot lines as given, there you have to note down the answers. So, what we have learned? We have learned that one, while going to arrange the alphabetical order, first what we will do, we have to see the first letter of the word. We have to see first letter of the word. Can you arrange these letters in the alphabetical order? Arrange these letters in the alphabetical order and see that one, your answer is correct or no. I am going to show you. In alphabetical order, first the letter or the word it will come, Cinderella. Next is guess, yes, Goldilocks. Third character which it will come, yes, correct, it is Pinocchio. Fourth letter or the word we can say Red Riding Hood. Fifth word is Snow White. and last word is Thumbelina. You have to note down these answers in your textbook. First it will come Cinderella, second one Goldilocks, third one Pinocchio, fourth answer is Red Riding Hood, fifth answer is Snow White, and sixth one is Thumbelina. I think you note down the answers. Now here I am going to show you one video. You have to just watch it.
Chapter 1 Alphabetical Order. We all remember the alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. We know that B always comes after A and C always comes before D. The order in which A, B, C, D, E are arranged is called the alphabetical order. Drag and drop. Drag and drop the
Now
correct
students,
answer
look at
from the
here.
help box.
Arrange the names of
Arrange
these
the
games
names of
in
these
alphabetical
games in
order.
alphabetical
Already
order.
you have noted down the answer in your textbook, but once again we have to, what it is given, drag and drop. Correct answer we have to drag and we have to drop here. So first one answer it is given, it is arranged in the alphabetical order. Just we have to see in this box and we have to drag and drop here. Okay. First one is badminton. ते स्टॉप होत नाही इथं. परत सेकंड वन इज क्रिकेट.
Good work.
Third one is, once again we have to
Drag and drop the correct answer from the help box. Arrange the names of these games in alphabetical order. Good work.
second one is cricket.
Good work.
Third one is football.
Good work. Try again.
And last one is
Try again.
hockey. These are the, we have arranged the letters in the alphabetical order. The name of the games we have arranged in the alphabetical order. Now students, this is our first letter, or the first lesson we have seen that. First we have seen letters, which you know that one, capital letters or the small letters. You have studied these letters from nursery onwards. Now there are 26 letters are there. You can see here these 26 letters are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Here we have seen that one, that B always come after A and C always come before D. Means these are the letters are arranged in the alphabets, or these arranged in the alphabetical. So our first chapter we have seen alphabetical order. Now what is alphabetical order? The order in which ABCD are arranged is called alphabetical order. You can see here the alphabets, or we can say the letters, it is arranged in the order. This called, the sequence we call it is as a alphabetical order. Again next we have seen the words are arranged in alphabetical order according to the first letter. We can see that one while arranging the letters or the words, that time while arranging the words we are going to see first letter of each word. Okay, here we can see that one apple, A it will come first, then B it will come first, second, then D it will come third, and last one is F. So related that letter we can see apple, this word come first, then butterfly, then door, and last one fish. Now next we have seen that one of this picture. You can see here that the list of the words has given here car, apple, dog, and bee. These letters, these words we have to arrange in the alphabetical order. So while arranging the letters, or the first we are going to see what? We have to going to see the first letter of the each word. Now the first answer of this list of the word we can see apple. Second one we can see after apple bee. Third word we can see car, and fourth one we can see dog. If we arrange in the alphabetical order, the answer is here apple, bee, car, and dog. Next, the question we have seen in our textbook, grammar textbook. First question, what it is given? Arrange the names of these games in alphabetical order. Here the some names of the games is given. We have to arrange these names of the games in the alphabetical order. Which are they? Hockey, football, cricket, and badminton. I have told you while arranging the words in the alphabetical order, first what we are going to see? We are going to see the first letter of the word. We have to remember the alphabetical sequence, then we have to arrange the words in the alphabetical order. So the answer is here badminton, cricket, football, and last one hockey. We arrange these words in the alphabetical order. Next, second question it is given in your textbook, that one. Arrange the name of these characters in alphabetical order and write them in the blanks. You have to already note down, or if you are not note down, you have to See there, again you can note down it. What the question is given? You know that these characters, mostly you can see these characters in the cartoon channel. So, these names of the characters we have to arrange in the alphabetical order, and the answer we have to write them in the blanks. What the character names are there? Here see, Red Riding Hood, Pinocchio, Thumbelina, Cinderella, Snow White and Goldilocks. So, while arranging these words in the alphabetical order, once again we have to see the first letter of the each word. So, the answer is here in the alphabetical order. First will come Cinderella, second one is Goldilocks, third one is Pinocchio, fourth one is Red Riding Hood, fifth one is Snow White and last one is Thumbelina. You have to note down the answer in your textbook. Okay. Now, here today's homework, I think you understood that one. Alphabetical order means to arrange the words in the order it is given A, B, C, D. In that sequence we have to arrange is called alphabetical order, and we have seen that one, that different names of the games it has given, that games we have arranged in the alphabetical order. Next question also it has given that one, arrange the names of the characters in the alphabetical order. That cartoon characters we have seen mostly in the cartoon channel, and these names we have to arrange in the alphabetical order. And while arranging these words in the alphabetical order, what we have going to do? We are going to see the first letter of the each word, that one which it will come, and we have to remember the letters A, B, C, D. 26 letters are there, that we have to remember always. So, in that sequence wise which word it will come, we have to arrange the letters in the alphabetical order. This is the first lesson we have seen. I hope you understood the lesson. Now, today's homework is that one. What you are going to do? You have to do that. You have to arrange your mother name, your father name, your grandmother name, your grandfather name, your sister, your brother, uncle, auntie. These names you have to note down, and your family members names you have to arrange in the alphabetical order. So, first letter we have to see, I have told you first letter we are going to see while arranging the words. Your homework is that one. You have to note down your family members name, your mother name, your father name, your sister, grandmother, grandfather, and arrange that names in the alphabetical order. Okay. I hope you understood the lesson. Thank you very much.